Hey guys, it's David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today's the day we're going to start working on our demo wall using Sonance and Nakymatone and invisible speakers, so that we can kind of do an A/B demo test for you guys and for us and all of our clients, because you know, you got to really hear it. But we're going to show you how this is going to work. So we built this 4x8 demo wall on stand so we can roll it around. It's going to go in our showroom. So if you guys are here locally in Oklahoma, reach out to us if you guys want to hear these be demoed with your favorite music or whatever. We'll have two separate amps running these, so we can A/B. We'll have a Sonos amp, and we'll have a little better amp to demo these speakers, because these are very, very nice speakers. So what we've done so far is Tyler's drawn with the template, and we have one big template for the invisible speakers, and then we have another template right here that we use for the Nakyamatones. So obviously the Nakyamatones are quite a bit smaller in size as far as what we need to cut out, but we've got those listed. We got Nakymatone here, invisible here, invisible, well, sorry, Sonance invisible here, Sonance invisible here, and then Nakyamatone's going here. So we have a raw sheetrocked wall. We've sheetrocked the other side just to enclose it like any normal house, being an interior wall or whatever. It is not insulated, so we're going to treat this like an interior wall, where most houses on interior walls aren't insulated, so we're going with that scenario. But anyway, so we're going to cut these out and run the wire through the back so we can put it to a amplifier, and then we're going to install the speakers. So we're going to kind of show you that as we go along, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you see, we have all four cut out. We've got one of the Nakyamatones installed, and we're going to show you how the second one goes. There are spacers depending on what depth of sheetrock. So we have spacers going in on each end. This one requires two different spacers. We have the 2-conductor wire going to the bottom, which has a zip tie, so it's like a strain relief. That way, you know, because it's inside the wall, we'll make sure that does not come undone. And then, you know, we install a temporary handle, which we get through Nakymatone. You got all the holes drilled. Oh, okay. There we go. All right, so we're gonna feed the wire back in. We don't need this much extra, and then the bottom's going to go in further. There we go. Goes all the way in, and then in like so, and then forward. Boom. We had to get the first installed and then figure everything out, and then now we're showing you guys the second one. So we got all these. Just that one probably needs going just a little further. Same as that one. Okay. And then the handle gets removed. And that's that. So not much to it. You know, typically we try to get the speaker within a 1/16 of the edge. So when we tape mud and texture all the way across, then you don't see the speaker. So this is gonna be awesome. Awesome. So now we're gonna work on the Sonance Invisibles next for you guys. So we'll get those started here in a second. Sonance Invisibles, putting the extra supports here at the top and the bottom. That's what Kyle was doing over there, adding more supports. So they require supports not only on the left and right stud, but adding on the top and bottom for extra support. Alright guys, so we got the Nakyamatones all installed, showed you guys that. We've got one of the Sonance Invisibles installed over here, so we're going to show you the installation. Again, the biggest difference is we put it supports, top and bottom, and then we've marked our holes going all the way around. There's a ton of screws. This one's also a little different because it's an open box back, and then, you know, no Phoenix connectors here, just hardwired for the wiring for the speaker wire. So let me get this speaker wire going in. Set this in place. And just make sure I'm all in. I'm being all in just yet. There we go. Nice. 4 screws in this boy. And we'll make sure all these are indented a little bit. But there's a ton of screws going in this thing. And make sure that it doesn't shift in any sort of way. Because it is a 3-way speaker, this particular one from Sonance. So there is going to be a good amount of bass. And so the next step after we do all these screws is we'll come back and we'll tape, mud this whole wall, because we want to be able to see 0 speakers. And that's the whole idea, guys, is you don't see anything. And then we're going to trim out the wall after we paint it, make it nice and pretty. We'll put some crown at the top, probably put a baseboard at the bottom. We might even hang a nice little photo or picture in the middle just to kind of dress up the wall, so you'll have a nice photo with nothing else but a painted sheetrock and textured wall. So I don't think that one even hit. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, can't wait to show you the finished product on this, guys. This is a great solution for you don't want to see a speaker, you want to see nothing else but your beautiful walls, but yet you want great sound. These are the two great options for you guys. So stay tuned as we get this project going for our demo wall, showing you both the Sonance Invisibles and the Nakymatone. So stay tuned, guys.